Dan Sweet here, Trash Bin Cleaners Direct and Pressure Cleaners Direct. You could visit our websites at trashbincleanersdirect.com and pressurecleanersdirect.com. This is our titanium trash bin cleaning trailer packages. This is our most popular selling item that we offer. This has a 17-stage wastewater recycling and filtration system. This is actually a trash bin cleaning system, pretty much noted as one of the world's fastest, if not the world's fastest, trash bin cleaning system. We can clean starter cans, which no one ever talks about in the industry. A starter can is the first time cleaning of a trash bin that hasn't been cleaned in 5, 10, or 15 years. Those are the challenging trash carts that need cleaning. They have grease, oil from kitchen oil and greases. Since kind of the demise of the coffee can due to pod-style coffee makers, it's harder to get rid of oil and grease. A lot of people put the grease into their yard waste bins and different type of garbage bags or margarine containers. They leak out, and that trash and can gets covered in grease and oil. It gets baked on, caked on in there, or frozen, and it's just really difficult to get rid of. The smell is horrendous from kind of the grease and oil and the rotten food. And our system is able to clean it 6 times faster than our competitor's system. Definitely give us a call to learn more about all the details, because a lot of customer videos they're showing maintenance can. The maintenance can is the can that you already spent a ton of time cleaning the first time, and you're going back to re-clean it every month. We clean those in roughly 5 to 8 seconds. Those are not the challenge. The challenge is your first time customer cleaning, and that's what we specialize in. By having 6 times the speed, we are able to actually do thousands of more customers a year than other systems. Allows you to reduce the amount of fleet you have. Some companies can't even keep up with one of these trailers with 4 trucks. So we definitely have the opportunity to give you this brand new, vibrant, amazing new industry. This is the perfect industry for carpet cleaning companies in a saturated market, pressure cleaning contractors, window cleaners, pest control, landscapers, construction industry, painters, you name it. Even moving companies are buying our system. This opens the door to accessing thousands of new potential customers for both businesses as you go. As a standalone business, it's absolutely amazing to actually get into an industry where you're the first to market, the first true environmentally friendly system that can actually recycle and reuse the wastewater, legally dispose of the wastewater when you're done. Don't be conned by comments pretending this is gray water. You're nuts. Do not be fooled by these con artists. We 100% can filter this wastewater down to 5 microns, oil water separator, phosphate filtering, which phosphates are in fertilizer that cause algae blooms, which is destroying lakes and rivers around the country. They're causing green and blue algae, toxic algae that actually can kill pets like dogs and cattle that swim or drink out of that water. This is a revolutionary new idea. Yeah, we've been doing this since just at the end of 2010. We're pioneers in the industry. We have the ability to build these for you. I've put almost 1,000 people in business, not just in trash bin cleaning, that's around 100, but it's actually the pressure washing and janitorial industry. I got 33 years of experience. I'm producing these. You can look up our YouTube channel, DP Swede. There's over 1,000 demo and training videos on there. Be happy to help you. We do marketing strategy with you. We show you how to obtain customers. We build the website. We do the graphics, if you like. We do logo design. Some people already have that if they're already an existing company, so we call it a la carte. Tell you if you want it, we can add it. And we can show you how to grow your business as close to a franchise without the franchise fees or restrictions. Give us a call. This actually has a soft wash system on here, or a chemical spraying system, 17-stage filtration system. It's got the monster 31 horsepower, 3,500 PSI 9-gallon hot water power wash with onboard generator, stainless steel frame. Like I said, it's got the 17-stage recycling system. You could wash houses with the new technology. It's the new soft wash system. You can also use this as to hold sanitizer or deodorizer if you want to just use it for trash cart cleaning. A 14,000 pound rated trailer with 4-wheel electric brakes, LED lights, waterproof harnesses, dual cleaning head, dual lifter. Contact Dan Swede at Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. You can go to trashbincleanersdirect.com. You can email us at info@trashbincleanersdirect.com. Also, we have over 400 different model pressure washers available in packages. You can also get a hold of that pressurecleanersdirect.com. There's another trailer back in the yard. Sorry about the yard condition. That one's available right now. And we're also building a fleet washing truck inside. We also have another couple trailers coming in and going out this week. AM1 titanium truck mounted system. The same package as this, but in a truck mount.